Hi everyone, you should have seen graphics like this in Quizmonkey and Quizblitz channel. Those channel just rocks. It looks amazing and super appealing, doesn't it? That glowing white border just adds magic and takes it to another level. If you're working on a quiz channel or planning to create quiz videos, you should definitely try this style. And guess what? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create this effect for your quiz videos, step by step, using Canva. It's simple and fun. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new video design. The recommended size is 1920 by 1080 pixels to make it perfect for your videos. Now, head over to the background section and choose a spiral background. I'd suggest picking a dark spiral design to make your elements pop. Next, go to Elements and search for some fun graphics. For this example, I'm using a taco, a bell, and a plus sign. Drag and drop them onto your canvas. Here comes the magic part. Select the taco element, then click Edit Image. Scroll down to the Shadow section and choose Glow. Now customize it. Set the color to white. Adjust the size. Blur amount and intensity until it looks just right. You can follow the settings I've used in this video for reference. There you go. Your glowing white border is added, and it already looks fantastic. Finally, let's add some animation. Select each element, click Animate, and choose an animation style that matches your quiz video's vibe. Preview the result and see how everything comes to life. And that's it. A quick and easy way to add stunning graphics to your quiz videos that are sure to grab attention. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think. Also, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.